Okay, next I have these concealers. I also have like a couple other stuff right here and then some like new products and stuff up there. But first I'm going to start out with just these down here. So first I'm definitely going to butcher this name. I think, is it Jouer? Is it Dior? I do not know how to pronounce this. I'm the worst. But I'm definitely going to keep this because I haven't had this very long. I got it just like a couple weeks ago from Sephora. So I'm definitely going to keep this one. And then I have two of the Tarts Shape Tapes. This one is in light neutral and then the other one's in light medium. The light medium is my self tanner shade and then this one is just for like my normal pale skin. So I'm definitely going to keep both of these because I really like this concealer a lot. Alright, then this one is the Kat Von D Locket Concealer. I'm going to put this in the maybe pile because I'm not sure if I want to keep this or not. Same with the Naked Skin. I don't know if I want to get rid of this because I haven't used a ton out of it, but I don't like it that much, so I'm not sure. Oof, hard decision. Okay, and then the NARS one, I'm definitely going to get rid of this one because I don't like this little NARS mini, so I'm definitely getting rid of that. And then this Sephora collection one, this is the Make No Mistake High Coverage Concealer. This is a brand new little one. It's in Poppy. This is a brand new concealer. I've never used it. I don't think I will ever use this just because it is so full coverage and I think it's going to look super duper dry on my skin, so I'm going to go ahead and get rid of this one. Alright, and then for all of these. So this one is the Maybelline Superstay Better Skin Concealer. I'm going to open this one up in a second and see if I want this one. I'm definitely going to get rid of this e.l.f. one because this e.l.f. one doesn't look good anymore. I've had it for a really long time. So I'm going to go ahead and just pass this e.l.f. one along. Or not pass it along. I'm actually going to throw this one away. This Tarte one I'm going to go ahead and keep just because I've never tried it and I want to go ahead and try this one. But I am going to get rid of this little sample that I have of it. Because I don't know why I have a sample of it if I have it in there. If I actually have like the little mini one. So I'm going to keep the mini one. I'm going to keep this Maybelline Age Rewind because it is such a good concealer. I absolutely love it. Oh, this is the yes pile down here. So I'm definitely going to keep this one because this is such a good concealer from the drugstore. Like honestly, Period is an amazing concealer, but especially for the drugstore. And then I'm going to pass this Wet n Wild one along because I think that this one is bad. So I'm just going to throw those two away, the e.l.f. and the Wet n Wild one. Same with this Fit Me concealer from Maybelline. I'm going to go ahead and pass this one to the trash because I think that one's bad as well. This Kylie Jenner one I haven't had very long, so I'm going to go ahead and keep this one. It's not bad. I do like it. I think it's a pretty good one. I'm just going to throw this one away. There's not that much left in it, so I'm going to throw this one away. As for these two, I'm going to keep the Kat Von D one just because the Kat Von D shade is my self-tanner shade, and it looks like I only have one self-tanner shade. So I'm going to go ahead and keep this one. As for the Naked Skin one, I feel like this one's super duper light, and it's probably too light for me. Because I think I'm going to... I don't know what to do with this Urban Decay one. Nope, I'm going to go ahead and pass this Urban Decay one along. I'm going to give this one... No, I'm going to keep it. Okay, I'm going to keep it. I've already decided. I'm going to keep this one. Keeping the Urban Decay one. So these are the ones that I'm going to throw away right here. Same with this little Bobbi Brown one. I'm going to go ahead and throw that one away too because I don't see myself ever using that. This green concealer, I'm going to go ahead and pass this along. My mom may want to use this. I'm going to go give that to her. And I think I'm going to try this out because I've never tried it out. It is the Becca Under Eye Brightening Corrector. So I'm going to try this one out because I do have really dark circles right now. I'm going to put it in my makeup bag to take to Brandon's house. So that way I actually try it out. And then I have these two. These are brand new ones that I've never opened. This one is in Light Warm. This is the Urban Decay All Nighter Waterproof Full Coverage Concealer. It's in Light Warm. And then this is the Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer from Too Faced. This is a really good concealer. I do really like it. I don't think that this is my shade. I'm going to try and make it work. I got this from Gratis. So I think I'm going to keep it just to try and make it work because I do really like this concealer. It's a really good one. I don't know. I can't decide. I think I'm going to keep this one just to try, and then if I don't like it, I'm going to pass it along to my mom because she has more oily skin, and I think that she'd really, really like this one if I don't. So, yeah. This right here, this little pile right here is what we're keeping. So, I mean, I got rid of some. Didn't do the most amazing job, but I got rid of some. So, that's a win. Moving on to powders. So, first up, I'm going to do these little minis that I have right down here. So this one is the Cover FX, just the translucent. I think this is like the perfecting powder in light. I'm going to keep this one because I've never tried it, so I'm going to keep it. This is the Bare Minerals Mineral Veil. I'm going to keep this one because I've never tried it either. I'll probably end up hating this one, but I want to go ahead and try it out. This is the Makeup Forever one. I really like this one, so I am going to keep the mini. This is the Tarte. I'm going to pass this one along because I don't really like this one that much. So I'm going to go ahead and pass this one along because this would be really good for someone to try out, or if someone really likes it, to travel. So I think I'm going to give this to my brother's girlfriend, Cheyenne, because I know she really likes like the Tarte ones. Then these are like little mini Laura Mercier translucent setting powders. I'm definitely going to keep these because these are really good to like travel with or whatever, if I want to bring like multiple powders. So I'm going to keep that. And then I obviously have 2 of the full size ones. This one's pretty full, and then this one's like, I don't think this one really has anything in it. So I'm going to go ahead and get rid of this one because I think that there's only like 1 use left. So I think I may use it up and then just go ahead and throw this away because I don't think there's anything left in that one. And then I obviously have an unopened one in here too because I do really, really like this powder. So I stocked up on it before I left Sephora. So gonna keep that. I'm gonna go and pass this along because I've never ever used this. This is the e.l.f. HD under eye setting powder. A lot of people say that this is really good if you have like under eye wrinkles and stuff. And since I am getting older, I have started to develop some fine lines underneath my eyeballs, and it's terrible. So I'm going to try this out. I got it on clearance for like literally $2. That's amazing. So I'm gonna try this out. I think I'm going to keep this one. Yeah, I'm going to keep this one because it's a really, really awesome one. I like it a lot. Then this is the Rimmel Stay Matte Long Lasting Press Powder. I've never tried this one, but I think this would be really awesome for the summertime. So I'm going to keep it to try. We're literally like not getting rid of anything. Then I've never tried this one. This is the Flower Miracle Glow Satin Finishing Powder. I'm going to keep this because I do want to try it. I may end up getting rid of it after. I'll let you guys know, but I do want to try it out. Then this is the Marc Jacobs Perfection Powder. I am going to keep this one. I'm actually going to open this up and put it in my makeup bag so that way I actually try it out because I think I'm going to really like it. And then as for this Too Faced Born This Way setting powder, I'm going to go ahead and pass this one along because I did not like this powder whatsoever. This is just the translucent one. This is the original one that they came out with. I don't know what shade this is in now because I know that they came out with some other shades and they kind of like changed the name of some of their the previous shade. So I'm gonna go ahead and pass this one along. This is just the very first one that they came out with because I didn't like it. So we really didn't get rid of anything, but that's okay. It's better than nothing.